Hello everyone, here we are going to find missing side and missing angle in a non-right angle triangle by using sine and cosine rule in the same diagram itself. Here the diagram ABC says non-right angle triangle. Angle A is given 73 degree and the sides are given 7 and 10 centimeter. We need to find the length of the side AB and the angle CBA. We can do it one by one. Length of AB is BC. Length of BC is here, and BC opposite angle is given 73 degree. One angle we have. One angle means here we can use cosine rule. For the first problem we have to use cosine rule. What is cosine rule? Either you can use the formula or you can directly start from this angle opposite side. Opposite side is BC. So start the formula as BC square. The other two sides are 7 and 10. So we can write 7 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 7 times 10 times and the angle 73 degree. Here 7 square is 49, 10 square is 100 minus 2 times 7 times 10 makes 140 times cos 73 degree. So we have to multiply 140 and cos 73 and add up 49 and 100, which gives 149 minus 40.93. By subtracting these two measures, we are getting 108.07, which gives the value of BC square. We need to get BC, so we can apply square root on both sides. Square root of BC square gives BC. Square root of 108.07 gives 10.395. Here the first question needs three significant figure. Figure 1, Figure 2, Figure 3. To stop Figure 3, we need to think Figure 4. As Figure 4 is more than 5, we have to round it as 10.4 centimeter is the measure of the side BC. And in part 2, we need to find the angle of B. CBA is given. The middle letter is B. So we need to get the angle of B here. So we have angle 73 degree and angle B, means we got two angles here. So two angles means we are going to apply sine rule. To apply the sine rule, two angles and two sides are important. So we can start the sine rule. A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C. Here angle A opposite side we came to know 10.4. We can apply 10.4 divided by sine A is 73 degree and capital B is required. B opposite is 10. So we can write 10 divided by sine B, and small c is given and angle is not there and this is not required to the problem. So we can leave this ratio. 10.4 divided by sine 73 degree gives 10.875 equal to 10 divided by sine B. The required angle B is in the denominator, so it's easy and better to keep the unknown value in numerator. So we can switch these two terms so that sine B is equal to 10 divided by 10.875, which gives 0.9195. This is value of sine B. Our aim is to find value of B. So we can apply sine inverse on both sides so that sine inverse of 0.9195 gives 66.858. We are finding the value of an angle B. So give the representation angle B is equal to, and the question need 1 dp correction. So the integral part is 66, decimal part first number is 8 and the second number is 5. 5 and 5 plus can convert into the 1. So this 8 is considered as 9 with 1 decimal place correction. Thanks for watching this. In the next video, we are going to learn how to find the area of triangle in non-right angle. Thank you.